the mathematics skills that required when solving any math questions. You know what? For some mathematics questions, they have no direct information provided. What you need to do is, you need to find out all this information by yourself. Therefore, think out of the box these skills is very important in this scenario. Hello everybody, this is Aris. Welcome to Aris for Mathematics channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how can we use think out of the box these skills in solving math questions. Without any further delay, come, let's look at the following steps.
Alright, let's get started now. Here is the question. The question asks us to find the area of ABCD. Alright, so we can see here, actually there are some information provided here. We know that angle ABC and angle AED. These two angles are right angle here. And then we have angle C here is 135 degree. Meanwhile, for the length DE, here is 12 cm. Right? And this length BC is 7 cm. Okay? So, you may pause this video for a while to have a try on this question, and we'll discuss this later. Happy trying. Alright, let's come back to this question. Actually, students will tell me that they can split this diagram into two parts. One is a triangle here, AED, and then the other one is, they will say this is a trapezium, right? But in fact, this is not a trapezium because we have no two parallel lines. Okay, so we can see here AB and CE are not parallel. Neither of AE and BC are not parallel also. So what we can do here is, actually we can think out of the box. We can expand the line AB and the line CD to meet at point F here. Alright, so in other words, if I say, if we want to find area of ABCD, we can use the bigger triangle AFD, the area of triangle AFD minus the smaller triangle, this BFC, right? Then we'll get the area of ABCD, isn't it? Well, before we start finding area of AFD, we know that the area of triangle is half times base times height, right? So that means we need to find the base of the triangle, the bigger triangle here. So the base could be FD or the base could be AD, okay? And actually the height here, let's say I use the base FD here, and then the height I use as a AE. Alright, so we need to have the length of these two. Okay, so let's start now. Actually, we can find which angle here, and this is straight line. We know that the sum of the straight line is 180, so this is 90 degree, right? And then this quadrilateral, right? So we know that this is 360 inside. Then we take 360 minus all these angles, that we will get 45 eventually, right? And we have two straight line AD and AB. So these two straight lines will form a right angle, right? So here is 45 also. Right? So if this is 45, then the triangle ADE, this angle ADE will be 45 too, right? Because the sum of the angles in triangle is 180 degree. Alright? And what else we can find here? Here actually is 90 degree. So here is a straight line, so we know that this is 45 degree. And the triangle BFC, so we know that this angle BFC is 45 degree, as the sum of the angles is 180 degree, right? Okay. From here, actually we can make one conclusion that this AE and DE have the same length because these two have the same angles here. So this is a isosceles triangle. So here is 12 cm, right? Meanwhile, for this 7, right? 1, 2, 3. So I just put it as 3 lines here. So this 7 and which one are the same? Yeah, this is the same also, right? Because these two have the same angles here. All right. And actually we can find one more length, which is FE. How do we find FE? Yeah? So if you see clearly, FE and AE have the same angles here, 45, 45, right? FE and AE have the same angle, 45 and 45. So which means that my FE is 12 cm also. Alright, So now we have the base FD. So now we can apply in the formula. So which is half times base. Base is FD. So the base is 12 plus 12, which is 24. Then the height AE is 12. Alright. Then minus out the triangle BFC. So same half times base. Okay, let's say I think the base is 7, right? And then the height is 7 also. Height and base are the same here. Right? So you can use your calculator. So actually, if I do it manually, here is 12. 12 times 12 is 144. Minus, here is 49. 49 divided by 2 actually is 24.5. Right? So after we minus this, then we will get 119.5 centimeters square as our final answer.
Solving math questions, but also in your daily life problem. Please do not just restrict yourself to one or two ways, but apply, think out of the box these skills in getting the result that you want. Alright, here comes to the end of this video. If you like this video, like it, share it among your friends, and most importantly is subscribe to our channel so that you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. I will see you in the next video. See you soon. Take care. Bye bye.